Hi, welcome back to Grandma Ray Don't Play, and I'm Rachel. So today I'd like to show you how to make some breaded chicken, and we're going to put it in the regular oven, okay? Breaded chicken. That's breadcrumbs. You're going to dip the chicken in the egg wash first, and then dip it in breadcrumbs and put it in the oven, and let's see how that comes out, okay? Okay, another way you can cook chicken. Stay tuned. I'm going to adjust the camera. We're going to get started. Thank you. Okay, so we have 3 pieces of chicken, 2 thigh and 1 drumstick. Okay, I already seasoned it with my special seasoning. You can season yours with your seasoning, okay? That's what we're doing today. This is the breadcrumbs. I also put the seasoning in here. It's all ready to go. And this is 2 eggs with water. That's called the egg wash with the same seasoning in it. Okay? Alright. So the first thing you do is we're going to dip the chicken in the egg wash and then in the breadcrumbs. Okay? So here we go. Chicken in the egg wash and then in the breadcrumbs. Might have to take your hand and help it. Make sure you get all spots. Okay, and that's what it looks like. Okay, and then we're going to put it in. I have a lightly oiled olive oil on the bottom of this pan, okay? We'll put the chicken in there. Same process with the other 2 pieces. That's the second piece. And now at last the drumstick. Okay. There we go. Let me wash my hands. Okay, let me let you take a look at that. See? Okay. So now only thing I'm going to do is I have 100% olive oil. I'm going to just put a couple of drops on the top. Okay. Now we're going to bake this in the regular oven on 400, okay? And I will be back. I can tell you that it's probably going to be around maybe 25 minutes. We'll see. Okay? We'll be back. Hi, and welcome back. Okay, so our breaded chicken is out the oven, and we're going to take a temperature. But let me give you the word of the day first. The word of the day is, it's a nice day here. I'm in Massachusetts. The temperature is about 76. I'm going to go out and enjoy the weather. And I hope wherever you are, the weather is good too. So when the weather is good, take advantage of that. Go out and enjoy yourself. Take a walk. If you don't do nothing but just sit outside, you know, it changes your whole atmosphere, and it could lift your spirits. You see people, whether you talk to them or not, or you see animals or birds or something that makes you happy. Okay? So that's the word of the day. Go out and enjoy the weather and enjoy yourself to lift your spirits. Okay? Alright, so let's check on our baked breaded chicken. Alright? Let me adjust the camera. Okay. So here's our baked breaded chicken. How about that, huh? Looks pretty nice, doesn't it? Okay, so let's take a temperature. It's moving pretty fast. Okay, we're at 167. We are good. Remember, poultry's 165. So let me plate up and take a taste and let you see, okay? Give me a second. Okay, and I'm going to take a picture with me holding the breaded chicken. Oh, I'm so proud of this. Okay, now let me take a taste. Why not? Okay, let me blow it. It's hot. Oh, tender and delicious. So remember, put the seasoning in the egg wash and in the breadcrumbs and then on the meat itself. Okay, so you lose no seasoning and it came right through. Oh, it's delicious. Okay, so you try yours. And if this is your first time on my channel, please subscribe. And to all of my subscribers, please share the video, let somebody know, and ask them to subscribe. And if you'll hit the like button. That would be great. And until next time, check out the links below. God bless. Bye-bye.